Hi everyone! Today we're playing Camping 2 Story. We're here with Maggie Musa who accidentally left the boat. Now she's not sitting next to me. Where? Yay! Why are you saying yay? Megan, talk. It's okay, they can hear you. People that yeah, she's crazy, this lady. Do you like my camping uniform? Guys, look at my camping uniform. Megan, yesterday I was playing this game, and then with Nintendo, you know Nintendo, right? And then he had to make a pee in the game, and we showed him the toilet, and he's like, no, I don't want to share the toilet with the girls. I'd rather pee in a bush than rather share with the girls. And then he peed in a bush. And he said this to me, can I borrow your scarf, please, just to wipe my... Because I was wearing a scarf, I was wearing this. And he had to use all my badges. Look how many badges I got from camping. Wait, why is it not showing on top of my screen? I'm sure I can beat you to the bathroom. I can. Beating you. You try so hard. I win. Oh. I win. I win. They don't let you in. But look, you can actually see us in the mirror at least. Dot dot. Hello, I'm Gabriella. Whoa. Watch the mirror, watch the mirror. I want to see where I am. I'm at the tents. Where are you?
I'm at the cabin.
Lucky! You won't die. I'm gonna die.
You gonna die.
Hey, don't! You're gonna make me die. I'm ready to run.
I'll be back in a bit. Oh my god, I'm scared. Daniel.
Where's Daniel going?
Daniel, he's going to the bathroom. I'm scared. Daniel, stop. Daniel.
Wait, he's going to the bathroom? He might be the murderer.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm terrified.
He's coming. Run! The murderer is coming to us. What's wrong with you? Get inside the cabin! Get inside the cabin! You'll see. Okay, watch this window here. Watch this window.